Next, division of decimals. Division of decimals. We studied multiplication of decimals. Next, we are going to see division of decimals. First one, dividing decimals by 10, 100 and 1000. 10, 100 and 1000. First question, write the quotient. Okay, so first question, 5.5 into 10 divided by 10. 5.5 divided by 10. So in multiplication, so if you multiply a decimal number into 10, 100 or 1000, the point will move to right side. But if you multiply a decimal number if you divide the decimal number into 10, 100 or 1000, the point will move to left side. Okay, multiply பண்ணும்போது point வந்து right side move ஆகுது. Divide பண்ணும்போது 10, 100, 1000 ஆல divide பண்ணும்போது point எங்க move ஆகுது? Left side move ஆகுது. So 5.5 divided by 10. So 10 ல ஒரு 0. So point வந்து left side ஒரு place move ஆகுது. So 0.55 is the answer. So point முன்னாடி empty ஆகுறதுனால we have to add 1 0. So 0.55 is the answer. Similarly, second sum, 17.3 divided by 100. 17.3 divided by 100. So 100 like 2 0. So the point will move towards left. Left move ஆகுது எத்தனை place? 2 place move ஆகுது. Because 100 2 0 இருக்கனால point வந்து left side 2 place move ஆகுது. Divide பண்ணா left side move ஆகும். Multiply பண்ணா point வந்து right side move ஆகும். So the point 173. So முன்னாடி என்ன பண்ணும்? 0.173 is the answer. Similarly, 16.545 divided by 100. See, same way the point will move towards left 2 place. So point 16545. So before you have to add 1 0. So 0.16545. Similarly, fourth question, 713.972 divided by 1000. So here in 1000 we have 3 0. So the point will move to 3 place to the left. Okay. So the answer 0.713972. So point inga varum 3 place left la move agu divide pannala. So 0.713972 is the answer. Similarly, let us see the next sum. See the next sum. Find the product. 0.2 into 3. We have to multiply the decimal number into 3. 0.2 into 3. So solution. So 0.2 into 3. Okay, so as usual multiplication. Okay, at last in the answer you have to put the decimal point. So 2 3s are 6. 3 into 0 0. So where we put the points? Only one place. So 0.6 is the answer. Similarly, let us see the second sum. So solution 1.2 into 8. 1.2 into 8 the solution. So 1.2 into 8. So you have as usual multiplication mark. So 8 2s are 16. So you write 6, 1 carry over. So again 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So where we have to put point? Only one place, isn't it? So we have to from backward you keep point here. So the answer is 9.6. Similarly, the third sum. Solution 5.08 into 15. 5.08 into 15. So 2 digit multiplication. So you write 5.08 into 15. So first you multiply the decimal number into 5. Okay. So 5 8s are 40. So you write 0, 4 carry over. Okay. Now 5 is into 0, 0. 0 plus 4, 4. Again 5 into 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. So you write 25 here itself. Next. So you should not write the digits here. You have to multiply the decimal number 5.08 into 1. 1 is nothing but it is in tens place. So you have to keep 0 or star in the ones place. Then you proceed the multiplication. Now 1 8s are 8. 1 into 0, 0. 1 5s are 5. Now what we have to do? We have to add. So 0, 8 plus 4 is 12, 1 carry over, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 0 is 6. So 2 plus 5 is 7. So at last where we have to put point? See 2 digit. 2 digit ku முன்னாடி point இருக்கு. So பின்னாடி இருந்து 2 digit. So the answer is 76.20. Okay children, let us see the another sum. Thank you. Next we see the next one children. Exercise sum 5.8 divided by 2. 5.8 divided by 2. So normal division மாதிரியே பண்ண போறோம். So solution 5.8 உள்ள எழுதிட்டு divide 2 வெளியில எழுதுறோம். Okay, so you consider the first number. Okay, so 5 consider பண்ணிக்கிறோம். So 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. So 2 3s are 6 ஆயிடும். So நம்ம 3 எழுதக்கூடாது. இங்கே 6 வந்து பெரிய number. So we cannot subtract 6 from 5. So smallest 5 கம்மியாக தான் எடுக்கணும். So 2 2s are 4. Okay, so you subtract 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, next step what we have to do? You have to bring down 8. 8 கீழே கொண்டு வந்துடணும். Now it is 18. Okay, so 2 9s are, what is 2 9s are? 18. So 18 minus 18 is 0. Therefore quotientல இப்போ point வைக்கணும். So point வந்து பின்னாடி இருந்து ஒரு digit இல்லையா? So பின்னாடி இருந்து ஒரு digit இங்க. So quotient is equal to 2.9. Remainder, what is the remainder? 0. So quotient 2.9, remainder 0. Okay, similarly let us see the second sum. So solution 82.4 divided by 4. 82.4 divided by 4. So 82.4 உள்ள எழுதிட்டு வெளியில 4. Okay, now you consider the first number. 4 2s are, what is 4 2s are? 8. Okay, so 8 minus 8 is 0. Next step la 2 கீழே கொண்டு வரோம். 4 table la 2 வராது. So 0 times. Okay, so 4 is 0 times, இங்கேயும் 0 times. So 2 minus 0 is 2. Next step எதை கொண்டு வரணும்? 4 கீழே கொண்டு வரணும். Now it is 24. So 4 5s are 20. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. So 24 minus 24 0. Okay, now point எங்க வரணும்? பின்னாடி இருந்து ஒரு place இல்லையா? ஒரு place. So பின்னாடி இங்க. So 20.6 is the answer. So quotient is equal to 20.6. Remainder is equal to 0. So next sum 435.6 divided by 6. So solution, so 435.6 divided by 6. Okay, so 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 40. Consider first two digit. 6 7s are 42. Okay, so 43 minus 42 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 4 0. So next step 5 கீழே கொண்டு வரோம். Now it is 15. So 6 2s are 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12. So you subtract 15 minus 12 3. Next step you bring down 6. Now it is 36. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. So 36 minus 36 0. So point எங்க வைக்கணும்? பின்னாடி இருந்து ஒரு place. So the answer is quotient 72.6. This is the quotient and remainder is equal to 0. Okay. Okay children, let us see the next sum. Thank you.